Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting what inflates the workbook: heavy formulas, hidden data, and unused ranges. First, save a backup copy. Once done, check file size in MB so you can measure progress. Then inspect each sheet for hidden rows/columns and used range bloat. Make a quick decision. Convert non-essential formulas to values to stop constant recalculation. You want immediate wins before deeper steps. Make sure autosave is off while you prune and record what you change. Now you tackle the complex middle work: formats, formulas, and objects. First, clear unused cell formats and reset used ranges to remove phantom bloat. Use go to special blanks to delete stray content. Replace volatile functions like now or rand with static timestamps or helper columns to cut recalculation overhead. Check embedded objects and images, compress pictures, or link them externally. Once these steps are done, run Inspect Document to remove comments and invisible properties before final compression. To finish, save the workbook in a compact format, XLSX for most cases or XLSB for very large binary data. Once saved, use Save as options to compress images and remove personal metadata. Make sure to test critical calculations after saving. If the file size does not drop, inspect pivot table caches and external links, clear unused caches or repoint links. Troubleshooting tip: if Excel behaves oddly after changes, reopen the backup and apply steps incrementally to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.